Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we are not doing a laser engraving video. We are doing a first ever for this channel, making t-shirts. And when I say making t-shirts, I mean easily making t-shirts. I've never thought making a t-shirt would be as easy as what it is with this heat press from Vevor here. This is an automatic heat press, and if you don't know who Vevor is, they make tough tools for a cheaper cost. And they are seriously impressive. I've done many videos on Vevor tools already before. If you haven't checked those out, check those out down below as well. But with this thing is awesome. It basically just pulls straight out. You put your t-shirt in there or whatever design, like a bag or something like that, and then you push it back in. You can then set your settings up here. You have the option for like heat temperature, the amount or length of time, and then how much pressure, whether it's light, medium, or heavy. So you have all of those different options up here. You also have the option for sub or HTV, and those are automatic settings. And then you can preset settings between the automatic one that turns on right away. You have an A mode, which is presets that you want, or a B mode. So you can have multiple different modes of what you want preset for your settings based on what you're making. For me, the HTV, the heat transfer vinyl option, worked perfect for what I use. And I'm going to show you that here in just a second. With that said, the actual printer itself comes like this in the box. There's no assembly, it's just straight out the box. So we're skipping the unboxing because there's no point in it. It comes straight out the box like that. It does come with a couple things here. It comes with your booklet, your instructions booklet, which in the instructions booklet, it lets you know that you want to use heat resistant tape, which is this blue tape here, but this does not come with it. So I had to buy this separately. But I got this entire pack for like 10 bucks, like 10 rolls of this stuff. I don't think I'm ever going to use that in my entire lifetime, to be honest. I don't think I'm going to make that many t-shirts. But with that said, you can get that super cheap. You can make your own t-shirt business out of this really easily. And it also comes with this little, I don't know if this is Teflon or what type of material this is. I have seen people in the past put this on top of their t-shirt in the machine. I didn't have to do that at all. It doesn't say that in the instructions either. So I'm going to just share a video clip with you in just a second of me making this very t-shirt here so you can see how easy this is. It was literally 3 buttons. It's power, HTV, and the start button. That's it. That's all I had to do. It's super easy, and I'm going to share with that in just a second. But last but not least, you get these heat resistant gloves. And there's a reason why they send this with you is as soon as you turn this on, you hit power, it'll start heating up to the automatic settings. And the top of this gets extremely hot. And the actual inside of this has the metal plate in it, kind of like a griddle almost. And it gets super hot too right away. So it's almost about 300 degrees that'll start heating up to automatically. So just keep that in mind. You will want to have these gloves on if you plan on getting anywhere near this, especially grabbing the front handle. It does get hot, so just wear those gloves when you pull it in and out. If you're just starting it up for the first time, it's not a big deal to just push this forward or pull on the front without gloves. But if you've been using it for a while, it's going to get hot. So keep that in mind. Now, what you're going to need for this is actual, like a print design here. So what this is I believe it's called sub-lamination printer. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, but you can print these off on a special type of printer, and then you would just place that like that. Some of them are inverted where you can't see through. It's kind of hazy color, so you'll have to invert the image when you print it off. But essentially what we're doing is we're just placing this onto the t-shirt, which then gets placed onto this here, and then you can print it off. And I'm going to share a video with you really quick right now about me doing that.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this.
All right, you guys, so now that you've seen me successfully and magically make this thing super easy, you can do this yourself. If you guys are interested in this heat press, I'll put some links down in the description below. Like I said, it is super easy. If you don't have a printer and you want to just print stuff off like I did, I just got a 24 pack of these like camping designs on Amazon for like $10. So if you're interested in those, check that out. I'll try to put a link down below, but otherwise you just type in HTV prints and then it'll come up with hundreds of different options on Amazon. So if you don't even have a printer and you just want to start making t-shirts like I did, like this one here that we did today, then just go on Amazon, buy a design, get this little heat press here, and then you're good to go. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.